If plate tectonics are false, how are there mountains?
That's because during the hydroplate, the water was gushing up with such tremendous force, and these two cliffs, 60 miles high, were crumbling into the force, shooting them out. And the cliffs got wider and wider and wider. And then pretty soon there's nothing pushing down on the Atlantic Ocean and the mantle, and it bulges. So now you got North America and South America sliding to the west, and you got Africa and Europe sliding to the east, and they keep going until they meet resistance, and then they buckle up. And that's why the mountain ranges are pretty much parallel to the mid-oceanic ridge and mid-Atlantic ridge. And that's how we got the mountains. And then the mountains sink down and some has to rise up. And that's how we got the plateaus.
Thank you, Brian. Eric, floor is yours.
I shared my screen. Can we show that for a second?
Yes. There you go.
So what we find is when we mapped the ocean floor, we found all these mid-ocean ridges, and we call these divergent plate boundaries. And the idea is that over vast stretches of time, the continents have moved into their current positions. The continental puzzle works with that extremely well. The mid-ocean ridge works with that extremely well. Brian, I think what you need to reckon with is, why on earth is it that the radiometric dating of the ocean floor perfectly mirrors what you would expect? It's youngest at the mid-ocean ridge, and uniformly in both ways gets progressively older as you go away from it. That absolutely confirms the traditional secular narrative about plate tectonics being a long and drawn out process. So that'll be it.
Oh, keep the picture up there if you would. If you want to keep your picture up.
Because, I can do that.
Yeah. Because that picture, they use that Astro Alexandra. She did a thing on what they found on Bennu, and she used that picture, and she said that serpentine comes when the mantle touches the water, and they found that in Bennu, and she's thinking there's got to be this big water planet that used to be floating around, and she's just a victim of our government education, because she won't even consider that the water planet is Earth. And so, yeah, she used that picture. And it validates the hydroplate, because how else does it get out there?